I will be reviewing and unboxing this rotary tool. It is ideal for engraving artwork, cutting out holes, and sharpening tools and equipment. It comes with various attachments, and this is one of those tools like a screwdriver that every DIYer should have in their household. I will be doing the unboxing and just highlighting a couple features of this rotary tool. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and remember to subscribe for future videos. It came straight from Amazon in this white package. It comes with its own carry case, very protective. They have it sealed with a tie strap. It comes with an owner's manual, which I already took out. Now this is the flex shaft, which is perfect for those crafting projects. These are the universal collets that I will be going through in just a bit. These are 2 additional attachments that it comes with. This is a cutout tool attachment and it is adjustable. You can use this to cut out holes in drywall or any soft material. And I will go through all the accessories in just a bit. Let's take a look at the rotary tool itself. It comes with a very long power cord, which is very cool. This is the on and off switch. This is the variable speed control. It goes from 1 to 7. It's very smooth and quiet. So this is a brush style tool and the brush can be replaced and the brush is right here. Now let's see how we install the attachments. We first need to squeeze this button right here to prevent the collet from moving when you unscrew the tip. This is the collet. This is what holds all the attachments. So you simply take an attachment, stick it in to the height that you want, and you just tighten. You can hand tighten, which is okay, or you can use this little tool to tighten it a little more. And that's it. It's ready to be used. So you can switch it on, and as you can see, it's very abrasive. So it comes with several attachments. These are some abrasive sandpaper. These are cutting tools. These are polishing tools. And many engraving attachments, including one drill bit. To remove the abrasive sandpaper, you just use a little tool provided to just loosen this bolt and it will slide off. To reinstall this abrasive sandpaper, you insert and tighten this bolt and it will expand and hold the sandpaper in place. And you install the same way as all the other attachments, and it's ready to go. This is one of the cutting tool. That little screw holds it in place. So you put the blade on the top and screw it down. And all these attachments are installed the same way. Comes with these sandpapers that you can use for sanding for your DIY projects. So it comes with bits and many different sizes of abrasive and crafting pieces. attach the flex shaft, you need to insert this tool that they provide in this little hole right here to prevent the shaft from spinning. And you can use this other wrench tool to loosen this nut, and then you can remove the attachment. So to install the flex shaft, you need to remove this cover and insert the tip of the flex shaft in the rotary tool and tighten. Then screw this piece in place, not too tight. Remember that this tool is plastic. And once you switch on the rotary tool, it spins up the other end, as you can see right here. So this flex shaft enables you to use the tool in hard to reach places. Now let's install these two other attachments it comes with. This one is for cutting out holes. You will have to first install the bit before installing these attachments. You just need to adjust your height to how deep you want the bit to cut. You can adjust both the bit as well as the attachment to get the desired depth. And this other tool is for maybe like sharpening a knife or any other tool that needs to be sharpened. So you first install the abrasive attachment and you simply turn it on and rub your knife against the abrasive section. And this will sharpen any knife, but be careful with this, guys. That is pretty much it, guys. These are all the attachments, ideal for your DIY projects. Have this in your house, you'll never know when you will need it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. And remember to hit the notification bells for future videos. See you on the next one.